Good day guys, I'm Hasan Shakur and welcome to CAD Gizmo. Friends, in this video we are going to draw another shape of practice series for the mechanical students. So let's start the video. And before I start the video, please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to see the latest updates. And friends, we have this shape and we are going to draw this in AutoCAD. And guys, first we make this part of the drawing, and for that draw a line like this and give the offset 10 units. And give the offset 28 units like this. Change the layer. Like this. Now we make the circle 12 units and we draw a circle of 10 units like this, and we draw a line with MI tool. We mirror it and we trim the circle. And delete it. So in this way we prepare this shape, and now we draw this circle which have the radius of 40 units like this. Now we draw the upper part of this drawing, and for that we give the offset 100 units like this. Now we draw a circle 10 units and draw a circle of 22 units like this. Now we give the offset 28 units and draw a circle of 12 units like this. Now we draw this circle which has the radius of 22 units and delete this. Now we give the offset 14 units like this, and we extend the line, and with TR double enter and delete it. Now we trim this circle also and mirror it like this. Now we draw a circle here with the radius of 3 units with the 10 radius. We draw this circle. We extend this and with TR double enter we trim it and delete this. Now we mirror it like this. Now we draw this circle which have the radius of 32 units. Now we draw a line like this and trim it. Select this line and mirror it. Now we draw this circle with the radius of 30 units. The tan radius 30 units. And 30 units. Now we trim it. And delete it. We trim this circle also. Like this. And guys, in this way we prepare our shape. And guys, if you have any question related to AutoCAD, then please contact me on WhatsApp. And guys, take care of yourself and see you soon in the next video.